Summer is about to get just a little bit sweeter because everyone's favorite dessert is hitting the grill. The most classic, iconic summer sweet treat is no longer just for camping trips. We are grilling and s'moring all in one swoop. Studio 5 food producer Alex Daynes has 4 s'more recipes that begin and end at the grill.
Yes.
We are s'moring at the grill.
We are s'moring at the grill. And I love this because it's like you're usually over a campfire or you're doing like a copycat in your oven or over your stove, but we haven't really used the grill yet for s'mores.
I am so excited to learn what you have for us. 4 recipes, as I promised. I do understand your personal s'more passion runs deep.
It really does run deep. I mean, I'm a s'more connoisseur myself, and I actually served a s'more bar at my wedding. So I had an open tabletop flame at my wedding, and I had an assortment of, chocolates and candies, marshmallows, different cookies that you could make it.
A s'more bar at a wedding?
Yes. So my guests came in, they built a skewer, they toasted it to their toasty likeness.
Oh my goodness.
And then they just dove in. So
you were the fun food friend before we even knew you were.
My reputation preceded me. So I had to do something different and something fun, and I kind of carried it. I feel like the s'more is like the perfect summer treat. You just it marries all the things. It has the crunch, it has the sweetness, it has chocolate.
Yes. Speaking of that chocolate, it might be melting in front of our eyes. Should we jump in?
We are watching it melt.
The s'more brownie is recipe number 1.
Yes. So this one was fun because I saw that Target actually did a grillable s'more brownie kit, and I wanted to do my own version of it. And so you could do this homemade. You could reach for a box mix and do a homemade brownie mix, either in a cast iron skillet or just a disposable pan like this.
Like I make a normal brownie?
Just normal brownies.
Okay.
Yeah, your favorite brownie recipe. However, at this point in the summer, I'm kind of over it. Like, I just want things to be simple, and I just want to throw it together. So I was looking for brownie bites over the weekend, and I found these at Walmart.
Fantastic.
Any brownie bites will do. But we're gonna cheat a little bit, and we're just gonna use cooked brownies as our bottom layer.
Okay, does this replace the graham?
No, this is replacing the brownie itself. So we're making a grilled brownies, just cheating a little bit.
I've never made grilled brownies, though.
Oh my goodness.
So it's a grilled brownie s'more?
Yes, a grilled brownie s'more. So this is kind of the base, but we're still gonna have all of the s'more elements on top of it.
So it's a classic s'more plus.
Yes.
It's an extra. It's got the brownie layer. I see. I like your style.
You're with me.
Okay.
So yes, you could make your homemade brownie if you wanted to. Box mix, your favorite brownie recipe, whatever feels good. However, I'm just reaching for easy here.
Okay.
And then, as you said, our chocolate is melting, so we may even skip it.
Oh, sorry.
But what we would do, in theory, is drop, 1 piece of Hershey's chocolate on each brownie bite, and then we top it with a graham cracker like so.
Oh, so these are still individuals?
Yes. So as much with this recipe, if you do it this way, you can totally just scoop these bad boys out. If you poured brownie batter into this pan, I wouldn't even recommend cutting it. I would just take it with a spoon, and I would just scoop it out. But then, we pile.
And it's gooey and it's drippy.
Exactly. And then we pile it high like that with our marshmallows, and you can see the finished one here.
Look at this.
I mean, it's a statement piece, and it took me less than 5 seconds to put it together.
Okay.
And then less than 5 minutes on the grill.
I'm feeling offended. Miss Marin, can you come grab this? We can't let a pile of chocolate just melt.
I know, the chocolate's melting.
That's
the chocolate is
Take
melting.
it away into cooler temperatures. Okay, the brownie s'more, recipe number 1.
Brownie s'more.
Recipe number 2, s'more quesadillas?
S'more quesadillas.
What?
I mean, as if we can't do anything, we have to do a quesadilla.
Yes.
And this one's really, really easy. It's literally marshmallow fluff.
All good recipes start with marshmallow fluff.
All good recipes. And this is actually gonna be even easier to spread because we're melting here. But we're just gonna do it like that. We have our elements. Each of these have the elements of a s'more. So graham crackers and marshmallows and chocolate, but we're just doing it in a creative way. So we'll go like that. If you wanted to, you could throw some mini marshmallows in here. Obviously your chocolate, which we are skipping out on, sadly.
It was melting into a puddle.
It is melting, but fold this bad boy up, and then the trick to this one is buttering both sides.
Okay, this would be delicious.
Like this, and then brown sugar to get that caramelized
there it is.
topping here.
There it is.
Should we throw it on the grill? It's hot.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So you do it on both sides normally, and then we take it to our grill.
Yes.
And we put it face down.
Oh my goodness.
And we just let that
The
cook.
chocolate will melt, the marshmallows will melt.
Yes, it's all gonna marry all those flavors
You
together.
even can get score marks, right? Those grill marks.
Yeah, exactly.
Right,
We got the grill marks as
on
we
your
finish
tortilla.
that up.
Yeah, okay, we'll let that go.
So easy. Yeah, we'll just leave that. We'll leave it.
What's the next recipe?
Okay, this one's probably my favorite of all of them.
Okay.
And I made it in this tiny little
Oh my
lait
gosh.
creuset. It was an Amazon find, and I think everybody needs
dead?
one.
Are we dead?
Every single person
A lait
needs one.
creuset mini
Yes.
blue pan.
I mean, if you don't have one, you can use a little ramekin.
No, not anymore. You've set the standard.
The bar
Yeah.
is now raised. So this one I kind of played around with flavor, and this is actually Biscoff cookies.
Oh.
So like cookie butter Biscoff.
Okay.
And it's almost like a little individual pie. So a little butter, you know, ground down your Biscoff cookies, and then so easy. We're gonna do some white chocolate here.
White chocolate.
On top. White
Hello.
chocolate and Biscoff is just a match made in heaven.
Delicious.
If you're feeling the cookie butter, you can drizzle that on there. Honestly, it doesn't need it.
Okay.
And we just pile like so.
And we grill that?
And we grill this. So we take this whole thing and we throw her on the grill.
Amazing.
Like that.
Look at us. Look at you.
So easy.
Look at you teaching us.
So easy. I mean, grilled s'mores are so fun.
Look at my
There's
face
so
sweating off.
I know.
Okay.
I know. Normally we're doing this at night on our grill on a summer night in the sunset. But hey, what
One
can
more,
we do?
Miss Alex.
What can we do? Okay, so this is like a traditional s'more.
Yeah.
So I was like, could we just make a s'more on the grill? And so
can we?
we can. So
We
what
can.
I literally did is I just took, and I should have opened this prior, but I took a graham cracker, I put it in some like this. We're skipping our chocolate as has been
Sorry,
the
I didn't
theme of
realize
this.
when I sent away the melting pile.
No, it's okay.
I sent
It
away all
wouldn't
the
have worked
chocolate.
anyway.
Okay.
But you'll put your chocolate just like a regular s'more.
Yeah.
Cover it up like so, and then roll it into your tin foil. And this one's fun because you could do your Reese's. You could throw some caramel on this one if you want to. We have some flavored marshmallows. You can kind of play around with this, and then the whole casing of the tin foil s'more.
Yes.
This drops on your grill as well.
Oh my gosh.
And you can stand here and you can grill both sides. Should we check on our quesadilla?
Let's do it. Our marshmallows are toasting.
It might be a little
quesadilla
charred.
Is a little okay.
It's a little charred. But
Well,
if you're not doing a TV segment, you're gonna watch it a little closer.
If you're not chatting with the friend over your shoulder, it will not be that black.
But see how toasty this is getting?
It's
and it's
looking good.
low and slow. That's what I like about it, is because it's all gonna cook together at one temperature.
All right.
And it's so easy.
Listen, I wasn't
It's so
lucky
easy.
enough to know and love Alex during her getting married days, but now I can pretend I'm at your wedding reception and have all of these fantastic s'more options on the grill when you're out there cooking already. Alex, thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
The tutorial is on our website, studio5.ksl.com.